Viewers, this time I'm gonna show you how to install a new Space Saver microwave. This comes with a exhaust underneath to suck all the smell of what you're cooking. And it's vented going outside the house. Right there, the pipe, I put a vent going outside the house. I'm gonna install the microwave underneath here. And the electric stove gonna be in the bottom. There is a exhaust that can suck the air, the smell of what you're cooking, and coming out here, going outside. It's come with a template. So this is the template. How you're gonna install this hook? This hook right here is the one who's gonna support the microwave. We're gonna find solid wood, stud, so we can hook it up direct to the stud. Alright, because that microwave is heavy and this is the one who's gonna carry the weight of the microwave. I'm gonna mark it down based on this template they provide. I'm gonna put it in the center right there and mark down that letter B hole. I'm gonna install this anchor. I call this anchor to the wall, so that I can hook up the microwave. Then we're still gonna use this template. Alright, so we're gonna drill this cabinet from the bottom, and these 3 holes right here, these for the bolts. This kind of bolts, you're gonna go from the top, and the other one you're gonna go there to hook up to the top of that microwave. So I'm gonna show you that later. Okay, so I need to drill the hole from here all the way to the top. Okay, make sure you're gonna use safety glasses. All right. Alright, we're gonna put the microwave on. Need to be 2 people carrying that microwave and hook it up the bottom here. Tilt like that, then gonna lift it up and bolt it from the top. This kind of microwave have a 2 option. You can hook it up the vent from the back, in the back right here, or top. Now we gonna hook it up the vent from the top. So we're gonna knock this hole out right there, and if you gotta do from the back, you're gonna knock this out. 2 holes there. So we're gonna do the top. Yeah, this is the motor. I'm gonna flip this gonna put this back in place, the cover. And before we put up there, we can plug it into the extension cord to make sure the blower is blowing right direction. The light is on. Yep. Now it's blowing on the top now. Before we put that on, we need to seal this top with aluminum tape. You're just gonna put a tape there. This type of tape used for heating and cooling system, because this is not gonna get burned and it's gonna last when it's cold temperature. Basically for hot and cold temperature, it will hold it. Bottom first. Hold on. Let's try it. There you go. Let's try to if it is warming up. Yeah, we can set up the clock later if already hooked up there in the outlet. Yeah, we still gotta run put the box there for the outlets. Two, one. Yeah, it's warm. All right, ready to go. Like this. We can vacuum that later. All right, that's the finished product. That's the Space Saver microwave. The reason they said Space Saver, they call it Space Saver, because you don't need to put it on the top of the counter. You know, you're saving space. At the same time, the exhaust here to suck the smell of what you're cooking going out. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, hit the button. Hit the subscribe button. All right.